If you say Amatriciana wrong in Rome, they'll correct you before you finish the word. Amatriciana. This is the tomato queen of Roman pastas. Bold, spicy, and fiercely protected. Guanciale, tomato, pecorino, and a kick of chili. For 4 servings, you need 1 pound of bucatini, 6 ounces of guanciale cut into thick strips, 1 28-ounce can of whole San Marzano tomatoes, 1 cup of finely grated Pecorino Romano, 1 small dried chili pepper or half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and salt for the pasta water. Step 1. The guanciale. Same technique as gricia, thick strips in a cold pan, medium-low heat, 10 minutes until golden and crispy outside, soft inside. Remove the pieces and keep the fat. Step 2. The sauce. In the same skillet with the guanciale fat, add your crushed chili pepper. Let it sizzle for 30 seconds. You want heat, not fire. Now crush the San Marzano tomatoes by hand directly into the pan. Don't blend them. You want chunks and texture. Season with a pinch of salt. Let the sauce simmer on low for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens and the oil separates around the edges. That's how you know it's ready. Add the guanciale back into the sauce for the last 2 minutes. Step 3. Boil your bucatini in well-salted water. Bucatini is the traditional choice, those thick, hollow tubes that trap sauce inside every bite. Cook to just under al dente and reserve a cup of pasta water. Step 4. Toss the bucatini directly into the sauce. Cook together for 2 minutes, tossing constantly, adding pasta water if needed to loosen things up. The pasta should be completely coated in that red glossy sauce. Step 5. Kill the heat. Add the pecorino in 2 batches, tossing between each. The cheese melts into the sauce and adds that salty, sharp finish. Serve immediately with extra pecorino on top. No basil, no onion. Amatriciana comes from the town of Amatrice, a small mountain town in the province of Rieti. Before the tomato arrived from the Americas, the people of Amatrice were already making gricia, pasta with guanciale and cheese. When tomatoes reached central Italy in the late 1700s, someone added them to gricia and Amatriciana was born. It migrated to Rome in the 1800s and became a symbol of the city. In 2020, the European Union granted Amatriciana a traditional specialty guaranteed status. The recipe is now officially protected. You change the ingredients. Amatrice sits high in the Apennine Mountains, near the border of Lazio and Abruzzo. In 2016, a devastating earthquake nearly destroyed the town. But Amatrice's culinary legacy survived. Restaurants around Rome rallied with Una Amatriciana per Amatrice campaigns, donating proceeds to rebuild. The dish is more than food, it's identity. The San Marzano tomatoes come from the volcanic soil near Naples, the guanciale from local pigs, the pecorino from local sheep. Every ingredient tells a story of central Italian geography. Amatriciana has tomato acidity and chili heat, so your wine needs to match that energy. My first pick, Montepulciano d'Abruzzo, a bold, fruity red that stands up to the sauce beautifully, usually $10 to $18. For something more refined, try a Nero Buono from Lazio, a local red grape that's juicy, peppery, and practically made for this dish. And if you want white, a full-bodied Falanghina from Campania works surprisingly well, enough structure to handle the tomato. Salute! That's Amatriciana, the tomato queen, protected by tradition, perfected by centuries of mountain cooks from Amatrice. With this episode, we've now completed all 4 sacred Roman pastas: carbonara, cacio e pepe, gricia, and amatriciana. The quattro piatti. Try them all. Tag Capisce Cooking and tell me which one is your favorite. Capisce? Grazie. Ciao.